Hey everyone, welcome back to Tea of the Week. We are featuring teas that make wonderful iced drinks this week, and organic blood pressure tea is one of them. With 6 ingredients and plentiful health benefits, this herbal blend has quickly become a favorite with tea lovers. Believe it or not, in medieval times, thyme was placed beneath pillows to aid sleep and ward off nightmares. In modern times, thyme is valued for its health benefits, particularly in regulating blood pressure. Studies show that compounds in thyme, such as rosmarinic acid, can help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, thereby aiding in blood pressure management. Additionally, thyme's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties contribute to overall cardiovascular health. In traditional Chinese medicine, cinnamon has been utilized for its warming properties to promote circulation. Modern research highlights cinnamon's benefits for blood pressure regulation. Compounds in cinnamon, such as cinnamaldehyde, have been shown to help dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing pressure on the cardiovascular system. Furthermore, cinnamon's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties support overall heart health. Studies have shown that ginger can play a significant role in blood pressure regulation. Active compounds in ginger, such as gingerol, help to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, which can reduce overall blood pressure. Additionally, ginger's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties contribute to cardiovascular health. Incorporating ginger into the diet can be an effective and natural way to support heart health and maintain optimal blood pressure levels. Cardamom has notable benefits for blood pressure regulation. Research indicates that cardamom is rich in antioxidants, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Compounds in cardamom, such as diuretic and anti-inflammatory agents, aid in lowering blood pressure by promoting the excretion of excess water and relaxing blood vessels. Cardamom's ability to improve blood circulation and its natural diuretic properties make it an effective natural remedy for maintaining heart health. Rich in antioxidants and essential oils like eugenol, holy basil helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are linked to high blood pressure. Eugenol, in particular, is known to enhance blood flow and relax blood vessels, contributing to lower blood pressure levels. Additionally, holy basil has adaptogenic properties which help the body cope with stress, a significant factor in hypertension. Hibiscus is renowned for its ability to support cardiovascular health. Scientific studies have shown that hibiscus is rich in anthocyanins and antioxidants, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, key contributors to high blood pressure. The diuretic properties of hibiscus aid in removing excess salt and fluid from the body, thereby lowering blood pressure. Additionally, compounds in hibiscus help relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and further aiding in blood pressure reduction. For this week's recipe, we are featuring a tropical summer refresher. This drink gives organic blood pressure tea a fresh and fruity twist to enjoy during the summer. To begin, steep 2 teaspoons of organic blood pressure tea leaves in 8 ounces of near boiling filtered water for at least 7 minutes. While the tea cools, muddle a couple slices of kiwi fruit in a glass and fill it with ice. Add the steeped tea to the glass with some fresh lime juice and then top it off with a little bit of coconut milk. Garnish if you would like, and then enjoy this refreshing beverage to keep you cool and healthy all summer long. Thank you for being a part of our tea-loving community. We look forward to sharing more tea discoveries with you in the weeks to come. Until then, stay healthy, stay curious, and sip on.